Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone of project worth rupees 8,000 crore in Bharuch, Gujarat. Meghalaya government announces a draft Meghalaya mental health and social care policy. East Jaintia Hills District Administration imposes Section 144 CRPC prohibiting rat hole coal mining, dumping and transportation. Meghalaya mountaineer's body reaches home, funeral to be held on Tuesday. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of several developmental projects worth over 8,000 crore rupees in Bharuch district of Gujarat. Speaking on the occasion, he said that earlier India was at the 10th spot in terms of economy. However, today the country is the 5th largest economy in the world. He asserted that during the time of the COVID pandemic, the world came to know the importance of the Indian pharma sector and reminded that the contribution of India towards defeating coronavirus was unmatchable.
मुझे वो दिन भी याद आ रहे हैं जब कुछ लोगों ने भरूच का विकास रोकने के लिए पूरी शक्ति लगा दी थी। भरूच अंकलेश्वर में उद्योगों की स्थापना में, उद्योगों के विस्तार पर बड़े-बड़े रोड़े अटकाए थे। जब केंद्र में हमारी सरकार में गुजरात को नरेंद्र भूपेंद्र की डबल इंजन की शक्ति मिली तो ये सारे अवरोध हमने खत्म कर दिए भाइयों।
Meghalaya Health Minister James P.K. Sangma on Monday announced the state draft mental health policy and named Meghalaya Mental Health and Social Care Policy. Announcing this on the occasion, he said that the policy is holistic in nature and focused on promotion of mental health. Working on collaborative work designs, emphasis will be laid on building safe spaces and first responder teams, focused to prevent and address stress and loneliness, early identification and care besides other aspects. He said that the policy was drafted by a committee headed by Health Secretary Sampath Kumar and a subcommittee that looked into the finer details of it and has been put in the public domain. Meanwhile, Mental Health Day was observed across the state in July. A program was organized at Darbar Shnong, Minthong Community Hall. Psychiatrist and Nodal Officer DMHP Dr. A.N. Paswat highlighted the importance of creating awareness on mental health issues. In West Khasi Hills District, a program was organized at Mikofet Hall, Nongstoin, under the theme Make Mental Health and Well-Being for All a Global Priority. Speech on mental health was delivered by District Medical and Health Officer Dr. S.A. Lingdo and other experts. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of slogan competition and other events.
Today, because of the work put in by the subcommittees and by the committee, come up with a mental health policy which is very, very holistic in nature. In today's world, students, they live with a lot of stress in their lives. It's not just adults who are going through stress daily, but students undergo a lot of stress. And that's what this policy seeks to achieve, to look at how we can have that support system readily available for them.
The District Magistrate of East Jaintia Hills District has promulgated Section 144 CRPC prohibiting rat hole coal mining in all areas within East Jaintia Hills District. This order was issued to prevent illegal mining, dumping and transportation of coal without proper challans, documents or permission license issued by the competent authority and in compliance with the directions issued by the National Green Tribunal. It was also informed that a violation of the order will attract penal actions under Section 188 IPC apart from the other relevant laws. The order comes into force with immediate effect and until further orders. Senior UDP leader and former Speaker of the Meghalaya Assembly Bindu M. Lanong is determined to contest the 2023 elections from Nongkrem constituency despite indications that he may not get the party ticket. He said To back out at this moment would be injustice to his people, who has been working for him since the last 1 year, and he will not leave halfway. It may be mentioned that Lanong has been a member of the district council from Malki Lemkra constituency as well as legislator of the erstwhile Malki Northmai constituency twice. He said that he has never switched parties in his political career and that the leadership of the UDP has not made any contact or discussed the matter with him.
Ngadang la bandu no kan khamha ba du kasit ngan rem kasit ban mangadu e ba bandu tara juba bandu putu ban ila ile ada jatra ada ile to jimino ulu chike MCP nga job mga natambun i to don kumta tara jingi jung leader ba don sia ka jing tip ki start jadi ijingai dengan nambula mutapa kalau nak hukum.
The mortal remains of Shillong mountaineer Tiklu Jirwa, who went missing since the Uttarakhand avalanche, was brought to his residence at Upper Lomparing on Sunday evening. Jirwa was among many other mountaineers who went missing after the avalanche hit them on Drupadi Ka Danda in Uttarkashi on October 4th. The funeral will be held on Tuesday at Lomparing Presbyterian Cemetery and the service will start from his residence at 1 p.m. Jirwa's body was recovered by the rescue team on Saturday after days of search. He is survived by his wife and children.
See, I have got this message that 26 bodies has been recovered and I have to go. Maybe Tiklu, he might be one of them, because somebody from the family or any guardian or parents should be there to identify the body. Straight away, I went inside that room that has been kept. Then I opened that body bag. I recognized him from the cab. Then I confirmed that yes, he's the one. Then they have prepared to do the documentation.
India Post is celebrating National Postal Week 2022 from October 9th to 14th, and during the observation, series of programs will be organized. Chief Postmaster General Subras Das informed that during the celebration, activities like Philately Day, Mails and Parcels Day and Toyodaya Devas will be observed. He highlighted that in the 6 northeastern states, post offices are integrated and 350 post offices are computerized. He also spoke about financial empowerment, which India Post has brought about in the last many years of its existence. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 25.6 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 16.1 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 74% and in the evening 63%. Rainfall 0.4 millimeters. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone of project worth rupees 8,000 crore in Bharuch, Gujarat. Meghalaya government announces draft Meghalaya mental health and social care policy. East Janja Hills District Administration imposes Section 144 CRPC prohibiting rat hole coal mining, dumping and transportation. Meghalaya mountaineer's body reaches home, funeral to be held on Tuesday. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.